All you Kevins out there, this feels very different. Buckling in a harness and a Crown Vic, this is the first, for sure. Weird sensation right here. Very, very weird. All right, Dylan, so tell us about this cool car.
Well, this isn't just your regular everyday Crown Victoria. This is a 99 Ford Crown Victoria with a Cobra drivetrain in it. So it's got the 4-cam 4.6 in it, 5-speed manual. It was converted by Roush for Bondurant Racing School.
No, your eyes are not deceiving you. That is a Crown Victoria. It's the school car for the Bondurant Drifting School and is being driven by Bob's grandson and drifting instructor, James Bondurant.
Drifting in a nutshell is driving way beyond the limits of the car, trying to carry a consistent slide from corner to corner.
Students who are new to this sport usually have a few misunderstandings about what is involved in this type of driving.
Biggest misconception with drifting is most people think it's just stand on the gas and hang on for dear life. Just drive as hard as you can. And it really is. It's all about being smooth. It's all controlled chaos.
And has all sorts of custom suspension work. Has the Cobra cluster in it. All sorts of stuff. Pretty cool car. There was only 18 of these cars for Bondurant Racing School and out in Arizona.
How long have you guys had this car?
We've had this car for I think about a year and a half now.
That's cool.
So
it's a very unique car.
Oh yeah, full harness, harnesses, cage.
Yeah, I mean this thing has the entire cage. I mean it's literally everywhere on this car.
Fuel cell.
Yeah, fuel cell. What I really like is, check it out, the nets on all 4 windows. This thing is super killer, man.
Has a nice one. This one gets held over here for the driver because you never know whenever you need to go to McDonald's after you've been doing a couple laps.
That's right. That's so cool, a Crown Vic with a manual in it. First one I've ever seen for sure.
It's kind of like a factory manual in a way. I mean, you can swap these cars, but so they had ordered 18 police package Crown Victorias and 18 new Cobras. So 18 brand new Cobras gave their lives to make these things happen.
Hey guys, David, Cherokee Auto Group. It's my son Dylan.
Hey there.
We're a car dealership in Canton, Georgia. We'll show you some of the cool stuff we got in here.
Let's go.
Luxury Fox body.
Dude, look at this. Oof, nice. Little Bronco too.
We can keep about 20 to 25 cars in our showroom here, and it rotates out. We also sell new golf carts, pretty cool. Neat 61 Ford truck. Neat Mustang, that's a 98 with 50,000 miles. Here's a 94 Cobra with 4,900 miles, pretty cool machine.
Oh yeah.
Turbo Fiat Spider. Olds Regency. And we like the conversion vans too, those are pretty cool. Super neat Trans Am's got 6,800 miles. Nice 300ZX Turbo, 5-speed with 40-something thousand miles. I like odd and unique and like original stuff. Supra Turbo Targa, pretty cool car. Nice Plymouth Trail Duster, which is Plymouth's version of the Ram Charger.
Love it.
Fully nut and bolt restored machine, pretty awesome rig. So if you got any questions on any of our stuff, check the link.
That's awesome.
Oh, yeah.
What a cool freaking car, man. This thing is nuts.
The naturally aspirated Cobra engine, but still, man, it's got plenty of power.
Got fire suppression as well.
Oh yeah.
I mean, this thing is literally. This is crazy that I'm in a Crown Vic.
It feels weird because I have a ex GSP car, and I drive it around, and it's weird getting into another Crown Victoria that has a 5-speed in it.
Yeah, oh, it's definitely cool.
After talks between Ford and Roush, it was decided that these 18 Crown Vics would be purchased and shipped to Roush for modifications. The 4.6-liter 2-valve and 4R70W were yanked out, and the cars became installed with the 4.6-liter 4-valve and the T45 5-speed manual transmissions. Additionally, they took the radiator from a V10 out of the F250.
Who, after seeing this video, will be the person who wants to convert their Crown Vic to something like this? That's the other question I have for sure. Because I know some of you guys are out there thinking about that. A Crown Vic built by Roush for Bondurant Racing School. That's crazy.
A Cobra R oil cooler were also installed to help with those Arizona summers. But these ended up being rated at 350 horsepower, so a good bit more than a Camaro SS at the time.
It's so cool. This is like the ultimate family race car. You know, put your kids in the back, put the harnesses on them. I mean, come on. It doesn't get any cooler than this. Yeah, you upgrade the power, you upgrade the brakes and the suspension.
Oh, yeah.
Else for sure. So.
You can see how well it's doing through all the corners and everything.
Oh, yeah, there's very little roll. I mean, this will be a super fun car. Have you or your dad taken this out on the track at all or no?
No, we plan on doing it though.
Oh,
we have another little track car that we want to take out with this thing. We think it'd be a blast to have these two out, probably at an amp or something like that.
Yeah, that would be awesome.
I mean, these things aren't that light at all. These are big cars.
Oh, yeah. And it's a full interior car.
Oh, yeah.
With a cage. I mean,
It's definitely not on the light side.
yeah, definitely. It's got some decent power on this.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this will be fun on the track.
Oh, yeah.
That's hilarious. Does the AC work on this thing?
Yeah, that wasn't really.
Yeah.
I don't think they were too worried about that. They just put the windows down, said,
Yeah,
figure it out.
Exactly.
That's more horsepower, though. No AC.
That's right. Yeah. We'll add another extra 5 horsepower at least. That's just too funny, man. Wow, that's all I can say. This is an odd sensation getting out of this thing with a harness and a Crown Vic, guys. I'm a believer. Way to go, whoever decided to build this, Roush, Bondurant, whoever's idea. I'm in. I think it's cool.